Hi there, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Girl Next to This Side. I hope you all are doing well. Today I wanted to talk about a very viral product. A set of perfume that is very viral these days over internet. Everyone is talking about it, and so I decided to try it. And before you spend your money, I just wanted to give a short review of these two perfumes. And not both are perfumes, but yeah, you will see that later. But let's start with the video. But before that, if you are not a subscriber, please do consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. If you like my content, please do subscribe. And if you are an existing subscriber, then hello again. Anita Dongre is one of the most famous designers of our country, and Ajmal is one of the bigger names in the Middle Eastern fragrance world. And Ajmal and Anita Dongre has co-created a set of perfumes, one of which is Shades of Me. I want to show you the packaging. By the way, I got this from Blinkit. Okay, everyone is talking about it. I have seen in Instagram a lot of perfume influencers talk about the perfume and say how much they love it. And I saw that a 50 ml of perfume and 200 ml of body mist costed me only around 679 rupees, that too from Blinkit. Okay, so I got it delivered in under 10 minutes. And let me show you the box. So this is how the box looks like. I mean, just look at that. This is the perfect gift material. I think they have quite a lot of packaging and I don't know, flavors, different variations in their ranges. Okay, in this entire range, I think there's a blue one, there is a green one, there's one yellow one, and this is the pink one. I think this is the one which is the most talked about perfume, and therefore I, being a certified crazy perfume lover, I had to try this. Okay, and look at this packaging. I mean, more than what is inside, I think I love the packaging. It's so dainty, it's so beautiful, it's so girly, it's so pinkish. And there's a lot of details given here on both the perfumes. As you see here, it's a EDP and a body mist that I have. So this pink one is Shades of Me. It's written the quintessentials of an ant woman, and as you know, the brand belongs to Anita Dongre. They make beautiful clothes, and this has 50 ml of perfume and 200 ml of fragrance mist, body mist, basically. So I was blown away that how come. Okay, before that, let me open it and show it to you how it's inside. So I have definitely used it because I don't believe in giving first impressions. But just look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. The pink, pastel pink packaging is to die for, I think. And any girl would love this if it's given to them. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the packaging and outer things. Now let's talk about the actual performance, how they smell like, and whether you would want to spend your money on them or not. So the first perfume that I'm going to talk about is this one, and Love Muse. This is the one that is of 50 ml, and I have heard that this itself costs some 500 rupees, and the body mist costs around 180 rupees. So which both makes it together as 679 rupees. You might have to pay a bit more for tax and other stuff. So everything together, I think I have paid around 690 rupees for this entire set, which is still affordable considering that you are getting a perfume like this. And let me tell you, I am so damn impressed with this perfume. So the moment you spray it on yourself, these are meant to be for women. But then I honestly don't believe that any perfume is for man or woman. Okay, unless there are some notes in a perfume that is extremely masculine. But then if a girl can carry it, there's nothing else. Okay, so this is I honestly believe that this can be carried by a man as well. It's a beautiful fragrance. Starting with the notes, I would not be giving all the notes. I don't want to assume it because I can go wrong. I'll write the notes somewhere over here. So it starts with a burst of berries. There's a lot of berries and there's a lot of florals. So right now, these days, I think I'm a very big fan of florals. And it starts with a berries and floral note. And then what I felt is that after 10-15 minutes, it has a very, very fresh feeling. It has a very, very fresh, it makes your mind open up. Okay, it's that kind of fresh. It has a has a kind of smell that, someone who has bathed in synthol. If you remember synthol, but not in a bad way, I'm saying it's not in a, giving you headache kind of a way. It has very, very fresh smell like that of synthol, reminds me of synthol. And once that syntholy freshness is gone after 1.5 2 hours, this has the most beautiful nutty milky dry down. And this kind of smell I have actually not got in any of the other perfumes I have quite a lot of perfumes, like not like hundreds of them, but I do have some around 35 to 40 perfumes. But this has a very beautiful nutty dry down. And yeah, so I definitely liked it. And if you look at the bottle, it's very beautiful, it's very sleek. I really love this perfume. And let me talk about the most important thing, which is for me, staying power and projection. These two are very important, at least for me, when I look into perfumes. The staying power of this is 4 hours on skin and 6 hours on clothes. Okay, if I mean, I have seen influencers say that this perfume lasts 8 hours on them, but then whatever I am feeling, I have to tell the truth. So this lasted on me, on my skin for 4 hours, 6 hours on clothes, which is great. Okay, because this is dainty, this is very small, this is very compact. I don't mind carrying it, I don't mind respraying it on myself. But fact is, 6 hours is a very good longevity for a perfume that costed me around 500 rupees. I can't expect it to, go over to the next day as well. And it is a very, very good perfume, very relaxing kind of a smell, which actually, I like spraying it on myself randomly just for the freshness and the calmness it brings with itself. So, yeah, highly, highly recommend. And if you ask who is it for, it is definitely not a very girlish, young girl kind of a smell. I think it's mostly a mature kind of a smell, very pinky but mature. I am 34 years old. I love wearing this. I think mature woman who is 27, 26 above will love this perfume. But again, there's no age attached to it. If you like it, just wear it. Next, talking about the body mist from And. So this is the packaging. As you see, the last one was this was a glass packaging, by the way. So but this is a plastic packaging. This is just a simple plastic cap. And sorry, I think by my reaction itself you would have understood. So the name of this body mist is Dainty Glam. 200 ml of product in the beautiful looking bottle. And it is in addition to what you're getting in the package. Honestly, I'm very sorry, but I did not like this body mist at all. Okay, I know there's a lot of people who love both of them together, who love layering them together, who love this one in itself. But I'm sorry, but I did not like it at all. But it's not like I did not try. 4 to 5 days, I was constantly using this perfume, thinking that let me just look at the notes. Yeah, there's notes wise. I'll just write it somewhere over here. But note has this perfume has apple, mandarin on as a top note, cedarwood, jasmine, caramel, musk, amber, vanilla. There's a lot of going on, lot of things going on together. 4 to 5 days, I have been trying to like it. I have been trying to like it, honestly. I'm carrying it to my office, spraying it, thinking, oh, maybe this is the amber note. Okay, maybe this is the apple note. Maybe this is the caramel note. But no, I am not getting anything from this. I don't know if it's my problem with my nose. All that I get from this mist is a very bad smell of balloon wala rubber. Balloon in balloons we have that rubber, right? I mean, balloons are made of rubber. Oof, sorry. So that rubber smells very bad. And that kind of smell, that is the only smell that I'm getting the moment I'm spraying it. and immediately I'm getting a very bad headache and I feel like I'll puke. Okay, but what to say, it is just my personal feeling. If you are someone who likes this kind of note, okay, or you have someone who has this perfume, sorry, this body mist, you can definitely go and try with them. You can definitely go and try from them first, and then you can place your order. Honestly, I did not get any of these apple, jasmine, vanilla, because all I was getting is a very bad rubber smell. Now, coming to the longevity, there things got even more difficult for me. As a body mist, this is quite long lasting. This stays on skin for 2 hours and almost three and a half hours on clothes. So then you can understand how difficult things became for me. But if you are someone who likes this kind of perfume, this kind of notes, then it is definitely going to be a boon for you, because this is quite a long lasting body mist. But as someone who don't like it, and I have to give my honest review, if you want to blind buy any perfume which has a very beautiful floral and a nutty dry down and a milky dry down, so in that case you can definitely go and blind buy this one, Love Muse, from, and not the other one. I think I'm sure that only this one is also available separately. So you can, if you want to buy a perfume, if you are someone who is looking to have a very fresh very fresh beautiful perfume that does not give headache, you can definitely go for this. But I will never suggest this one. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you do, please do give a thumbs up. Please do share it with other people who love to, who love perfumes like me and like you as well. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.